guys, welcome back. And today we are reviewing Hello Kitty Robot.
Robot.
The Roblox, okay? And this is a front of this Hello Kitty. The side and the back of the backpack.
Roblox Hello Kitty.
You got it? Back. So, here I got the remote. And if you see on top of the remote, we have a bow.
That is the robot.
If you can see. And the remote is a bow, and I got two buttons. This is not a button. This button for Hello Kitty to turn around with this. And if I press this, she will walk. Not fall, but walk. Well, you see, if she walks, look at this bow. It's light up, right? And if you do it too long, there's gonna be a song like this. If you press this button, like that, this goes.
Wait, I will see.
And this is the backpack. It's like Hello Kitty.
And
this is this on and off.
And this is Bill.
And this at the bottom, there is like wheels and stuff like that. You see? And when she walks, like up and down, up and down. And this is a button. Well, thank you guys for watching. See you guys at the next video. Bye!